Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do blue comment on TikTok. So let's start and open the TikTok app. Now search for the videos that you wanted to comment on. For example, this. Tap on comment section, and as you can see, there are some blue comments. Now to make blue comment in comment section on TikTok, type this. To be able to make the blue comment appear, what you need to comment is that what other users mostly comment to. For example, we are copying the tilapia cat comment, which is also blue comments. After typing on the comment section, click the upload button. Now you will see that my comment is still not a blue comment because it does not change the blue comment automatically. We are going to wait for at least 4 to 5 minutes, I think. Let's exit on TikTok and come back after 5 minutes. So 5 minutes were passed, and let's open the TikTok app and look our comments. Go to the profile section, click this three lines in the top right corner, and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and look for activity center, and here in the comment history. So unfortunately, it's taking longer than we expected, but after a few minutes, it will going to turn to blue comment. Well, you can also try on your end so that you might see other results. And that is how to make blue comment on TikTok. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.